ThermoCamera Pocket by Laserliner. Compact, robust, and ideal for fast temperature analyses in the construction industry, mechanical and electrical engineering. The high-resolution microbolometer sensor detects even the smallest temperature differences, delivering detailed thermal images with the ThermoCamera Pocket. Thanks to loadable custom apps, the device can be quickly pre-configured for standard applications such as air leak detection, temperature peaks, and thermal patterns. The large color display shows temperature patterns in sharp contrast, supported by the precise sensor for reliable imaging. Images can be saved, transferred via USB-C, or stored on a microSD card, while the device is conveniently recharged via USB-C, all directly on the ThermoCamera Pocket. Infrared, digital, and mixed images with automatic overlay provide a flexible, clear representation, ideal for orientation within the image. The freely available PC software Quick Reporting Editor Plus enables professional documentation, editing, and analysis of measured data. The ThermoCamera Pocket by Laserliner reliably detects thermal bridges, moisture, failed insulation, and overheating, including on solar cells and cables.